DJI Modify software is now fully upgraded. It delivers a complete point cloud editing workflow, enabling seamless integration of UAV LiDAR data with various geospatial application platforms. It supports the import and smooth processing of large-scale point cloud datasets in LAS and other formats, allowing users to perform smoothing, denoising, and point density adjustment to improve the data quality. Leverage the power of DJI Modify's machine learning algorithms to automatically classify point clouds into categories such as ground, vegetation, and buildings. A full set of editing and selection tools is also available. In addition to basic tools like rectangle polygon selection, brush tools, and color pickers, DJI Modify also includes Quick Selection Tool, which functions like a magic wand to boost editing efficiency. The new Profile tool supports penetration evaluation and accuracy analysis, making it useful in scenarios like powerline inspection, terrain modeling, and forestry analysis. Based on the refined point cloud, users can generate high-quality DEM, contour, grid of points, TIN, and other vector datasets. Together, DJI Modify and the Zenmuse L2 offer a fully integrated aerial LiDAR surveying solution, delivering enhanced point cloud accuracy to meet diverse application needs across industries.